In this video, we're going to fix your TekTro HD-E350 hydraulic brake lever that's popped out. Sometimes the rod that pushes on top of the hydraulic line behind the lever pops out because you've extended the lever too much or somehow you bumped it into something. When it pops, you can see the push rod with the ball that compresses the brake, along with a snap ring and a regular washer. The washer holds the ball against the compression plate, and the snap ring is supposed to be there under a circular metal lip surrounding the plate to hold the washer in place, except when it doesn't. It's designed to easily pop the assembly out to protect the brake lever or other parts from damage. To get started, remove your mirrors or caps from the end of your handlebar and then remove the grips. After that, remove the brake lever itself using an Allen wrench. Like most bike repairs, you're going to need a special tool. The good news is that this is probably the least expensive tool you'll ever have to buy, but it's important to get the right one. I won't bore you with all the details and specs, but these special pliers come in all sorts of sizes and configurations, and this is the one you'll want. Among other things, the tips of these are the correct gauge to grab the tiny holes in the ring. So to make this easy, I'll put a link in the description below. Anyway, just grab the snap ring by the tiny holes with your new tool while you squeeze the lever to push the rod into the compression plate. Once you've compressed the ring and have it under the lip of the compression plate, you can release it. It might not be a bad idea to check your work with a tiny screwdriver to ensure the ring isn't hanging above the lip, but you're probably fine even if you don't. After that, just check that the snap ring stays in place while you move the lever and everything feels right. Next, just reattach the brake lever assembly and the hand grips. Since I had this all apart, it was the perfect time to upgrade the basic round grips that came with my bike to these super comfortable wide grips that are actually super inexpensive. They really help minimize wrist and palm strain and discomfort. If you've never used these kinds of grips before, they are without a doubt the best bang for your buck bike upgrade. I'll put a link in the description below. Make sure to hit that thanks button if this video helped, or of course a like is always appreciated. Thanks for watching.